Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to view desktop site on iPhone. It is a fast and easy tutorial, so let's dive into it. iPhone allows you to request the desktop version of websites directly within the Safari browser. This grants you access to the full website experience, just like you would see on a computer. To do this, open the Safari app on your iPhone. On Safari, head to the website you want to view in desktop mode. Once the website loads, look for the AA icon. This icon, usually located in the top left corner of your screen or bottom right corner near the address bar, acts as a gateway to various website settings. So tap the AA icon. A menu will pop up, displaying options related to your current website. Within the menu, find the option labeled Request Desktop Website. This might be listed in a menu alongside other website-specific settings. Tap on Request Desktop Website. The website will refresh. You should now be viewing the full desktop version optimized for larger screens. Websites often have features unavailable in their mobile versions. Desktop mode unlocks the complete website experience, allowing you to access all available tools and functionalities. That is how to view desktop sites on iPhone. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.